And now, with all humility, I would like to request His Holiness Karmapa, the spiritual leader of the Karma Kagyu lineage, one of the major traditions of Tibetan Buddhism. He was born in eastern Tibet on June 26, 1985, and was recognized at the age of 7 as a reincarnation of the 16th Karmapa. As a scholar and meditation master, as well as painter, poet, songwriter, playwright, His Holiness the Karmapa embodies a wide range of the activities that Karmapas have engaged in over the centuries. As an environmental activist, computer enthusiast, world spiritual leader, whose teachings are often webcast live, the 17th Karmapa has brought the Karmapa lineage activities fully into the 21st century. And we are blessed that he's here to give his blessings. And may I request you to first come and light the lamp, Your Holiness, if you could come to
First of all, I would like to say Tashi Dilek to everyone who has come here. Good morning.
Under the Shiva Hongyan Bumi Festival, that was here in the San Italia, Maranja, was the judge from the Kavishachu, and Homa, and the Udarakanya, Marbe, the Chulo, Shusha, and the Genshen, and the Kyo Mambuzi. 채소 가져다 채소 바제 정보다 단단한 신기 강바든지 신가 라서도 다간다 지 니르롱주 망부지리아 니츠침부지 니츠침을 포유 민주선 달리아 도망게 리아 가서에 50년 뒤에 쉬하당 아주 제도 신분을 제도 뭐라고 쉬하당 손분을 대신도 가서에 보고 비슷한지 정말이야 비슈
First of all, I would like to say that I'm very happy to be able to come to this Bhumi festival today. As was mentioned, this year there was the flood in Uttarakhand, and many people presented great difficulties for the lives, and many people passed away. Likewise, many fields and so forth were destroyed, and so there was a great deal of destruction from this disaster. And so for that reason, I would like to take this opportunity to offer a prayer on the behalf of all of those who have passed away, as well as all of the living who remain.
That during the Kashmir, I Kashmir, we say, Tangaran Unity, Kuru Tolia, Tonar Chimbu Chedia. That the Jumzen, Keshuji, Haji, Marang Samsu Sherina, Marang Chunjung Gablia, that gets Hasati, Bergi, Shashog, Lumbokujo Shadiore, Cezan, Gabtidusane, Engalia Mise Kashwata, the Lumbadelia, Tinduki, modern development Kayomane, Ada Jungi. 감다 타니 버체 다나 신기 수균기 별 수균기 아니 소와 계다 디토리아 가서다지 되지 소소냠 냠수녀아 거거로 준비 중요하래 제자 팀지기 딱 파자스는 다도 수견을 탭체 엔지 ren중 감기 감디 제도도 되지 되다 다나 신기 ren중 감디 야 소소 미지 나로리아 뭐스 가서다 디도기 제가 첨부 차게 여지 다 파자스는 다도 선한 사마를 주어하네 제자 디균전 때네 다 간다 초지니 environment 가서 토리아지 토나로 요아 조아로 요아지 균전이 요래서 섬지 자기는
I often take some interest in the environment. And the reason for this, the most important reason for this, is that the place where I was born, when I was young, the place I was born in eastern Tibet was a very remote valley. And at that time, there was no modern development. And so it was a place where we were very close to nature. It was a place where there was the traditional Tibetan way of life. And because of this, I had the opportunity to experience this, to actually experience this myself. And this has created a strong impression on me, or an influence on me, an influence that there is beauty in the natural world. And I feel like the happiness and sadness in my life is related to this. And so you could say this is the impression or the imprint that this has made upon me. And for that reason, I take great interest in the environment.
인주산 참외 계세르시 딱 아주 뒤로는 게 뒤로 미를 나누야 간다 쿠유키 토리아지 가서 챌린지 쓰면 되지 교체 없이 하래 다디 교체비디 에네 과 정중 정신 교체비 시모이마 다가다 미 자주에 단교와 가서다 예 미디어 초다 교체 프로젝트 도디가네 드니 유산티 교제테네 아주 니에발도 가서다 가서다 이제 일단 문이 세워야 지금 문배니를 세워야 계속 자차되어야 다가다 유제를 마우샤시에 맞을 때 대표 상원이 킹기와네 간다 얘는 그 같이 위해서나 아주 코유기에 다른 내륜이 세야야 개시슈기 같이 하는 사람 안수기 능균기 초연최 이제德수에 다른 些 근원 개당 마디술이야 요와 동과에 시작해 싶도스 진짜리야 요와 담에 토안에 아니 시내 가져야지 맞아요 자기 액션 somewhere 그런 가져야 자주 배제 아니 가져야 니 강에서도 양을 배주자 계속 자리와 제산디 딱그 이자와서는 다가 계시슈르비 아다가 저지德수서는 다 basic motivation somewhere 다디 그 change 차원에 시작해 주시아래 대마차에 있나 아니지 아주레지 information you have knowledge you have that is 샤나 펜호 요마네 드린 유사인지 비정 아주지 사회 근원이야 교과태에 토안에 딱 아주 학성 선한다도 딱 자와 선한다도 딱 게임을 원도 교야지 배주시고 하니 계심을 차비게 길을 삼천이에요.
As all of you know, in our generation, there are great challenges facing the environment. There have been great changes occurring in the environment. And these changes are not natural changes. These are changes that have come about because of human activity. And they're changes in the direction for the worse, in the negative direction. And so, for that reason, we absolutely need to take this into consideration. We need to think about this a great deal. As all of you know, these are great problems. So I usually think that in order for us to eliminate or take care of the environmental difficulties that we face, the most important thing is that we change the way we look at the world, that we change our basic motivation. This is the most important thing. Once we have changed our motivations and the way we look at the world, then only then can we really take action, and only then will we be able to make a difference in the environment. And so the root of it all, or the most important aspect, is that we have to look at the way we have to change the way we look at the world. And if we do not change that, and we do not change our, that is the most important thing to change. If we do not, then all of the information and all of the knowledge that we have will not be of much help. So fundamentally, we must change our motivations. And once we do that, then we need to have the enthusiasm, you could say, or the compassion and love, and we need to make that compassion and love manifest. So I think it is important to do this.
이게 가지고는 기노를 쓰면서 이 초들이야 지침에 이들주산에 엔데 아직 가지고 추즈 상으로다 추즈 방법 쉽게 샤 추즈 방법 아다나신 나 추즈 겹체 아니 다나신기 딱 하나 디스콜이야 가지고다 디스 통일 다나신기 뜨는 균 가지고리 딱 장부 친구도 이 장부의 민간시 하고 어디 나타나는 장부 친구도 추즈 야볼 때에 능균다 장부 더 플루 네 만조여인就是这个就是啥呢那么장부의 추주시下的这些通或者是那个通所这大家得了说大家得了这些我们说제상 나 디기디 가르쳐서나 가르치는 거 알았잖아. 딱 구육이 내려인디 아주 미진하게 내려인지 뭐인가 보라가 내려인지 나도지 이는 안도 지잖아. 디 강에서야 그냥 라브를 차리고 와래.但이내 구육이 내려인디 아주 미진하게 내려인지 차리고 그래. 아니 미진하게 수도 내려 수를 이렇게 쳐가면 가래사 그러나 또 준수의 야디 에너지 벤조야 게를 저기에 벤조야 게 아주 미소수기 다 간단 니지 초등다 저기에 되나 또 뒤에 주산에 그 예전에 딱 간단 카프게르지 가서다디 지 다 계시 준수 많이 좀 가르쳐야 돼서 따대대 카프게르 공사에 어디 가래 카프케르 유아대 아무스에 샤오시에다 다들 인지산에 디균세 때에 고유기 내륜디 아주 미지는 저의 대비심이 인지산에 안다 대신으로 사을 잘 되게 하래 다들 지지 내륜 세역 때문에 엔지미지 아주 니지기 미지난 다 삼동다 저런 계단 다 디기들이야 교태비나 아니 신의지 고유리야 그리고 내려 돌아야다 저와 겹스지 요아에 되지 계시 아주 니지 미진하게 자주 처리야 구유디 개심부지당 대하다 파주 가서 구유디 파주 가서다 미지 차시야로 지마 삼마당 땅부터 입니다 안 맞지 그건 안 가고 시작내는 선부지 대도
Recently, I went to the area of Kinor, and as I was going there, I could see the many dams that have been built along the rivers. And there is a river there. I don't remember the name of the river, but it's normally a very large river. And yet, because of all the dams that have been built, then the flow of the river has been blocked. And since that has been blocked, the rivers that used to be large have now become very small. And this is something that I could actually see. And there are many other effects of this that we can all see. And so what I think this illustrates is that the environmental issues, if they were something that were not part of our human life, if they were something outside of our daily lives, then they'd be easy to take care of. But they're not like that. They're very closely related to our human lives. They're not something that is extra or ancillary to our lives. Like with the dams, these are related to the economy and to the growth of the economy. And so because of that, people's livelihoods depend upon them. And so in this way, we can see that the environmental issue is wrapped up in these issues. If there were no dams, then we would have great difficulties. It would be a very complicated situation. But the complications were made by us people. And so in this way, the economic issues and the environmental issues are very closely related to our own human life. And so when we think about the environmental difficulties that we face, if we are able to change the way that we approach our own individual lives and the things that are close to our lives, then I think we have hope to be able to affect the environmental issues. But if we are unable to change our lives and see how important the environmental issues are in our lives, and to see that they are actually a part of our lives, then I think it will be very difficult to change.
드레인 산다 산이 계세르시 아주 좋아미 대응하면야 정답이야지. 자리와래 얘네 이비다가 정중기 resources나 다도 정중기 다 트렌제 되게 들려야 지시에 됩시래. 제가 뒤교제 되는 아주 셈 대배왕 다샤이나 아니 용담 매버지 뭐인지도 용담 매버지 저기 매버지 아주 처보서는 다도 신고하래. 링규사네 뒤교제 되네 아주 니야발도 지 아주는 은혜와 하리마 양 아주 대배왕 다 망고지 보았잖아. What we want somewhere 다 디기들이야지 개발을 체체 은혜처럼 고아하리마다 양진 대배왕은 되네 지 망고지 여보나 샤디와래 여보가 가서에 대바탕 거반이야 지 개발을 체과디 에다 계속으로지 자리하러 딱 간다야 아주기 미기다 레바서는 왔다디 지 가서 신하로지 뉴인데 뭐 신하 사버지 니주지 뭐좀 봐도 그냥 아주 처벌 채택이었지 내가들 뉴스안에 그 내년 대나시에 배지 내년 그 내년 자타고를 중세 엔지 좀 개인 친구를 중세 상례는 신내지 가지고 나가듯이 상도한테 시차로 주는 뉴스한테 이들전되네 아마 저기 말도 아주 남주의 배주당 안하나지 항상 배제와디 계속을 시작하는 일들이 삼촌이에요.
As all of you know, there is no limit to human desires, no end to human desires. And yet the natural resources, the support the natural world gives us does have a limit. And so we need to recognize that if we were to use everything that we wanted, then there's no way it would work. There's no way that could be okay. And this is something that we can understand. This is something that we can know. And so what is it that we have to think about? What is it that we actually need? There are many things that we want. We have too many thoughts, too many things that we want. And yet we do not distinguish between what we need and what we want. So we need to think about what we actually need. Sometimes, and then what it is that we want. And what we want often seems to be what we need. We make it into what we think we need. And so it is important for us to be able to distinguish between what we need and what we want. In any case, with us humans, until the terrifying situation is actually right before us, it's difficult for us to get our brains around it and act. And so, for that reason, it is important for us to see that these environmental issues are a great danger. And it's important for us to, all as a team together, to take responsibility for them and think about them. And so we need to use our own intelligence and our own pure motivations.
And general business ke shas ke do ane dari de auto de shaka chons and anasi namane years samade and je to de shaka chons and you sane some of the person
And so this morning I haven't anything else in particular to say, but I am delighted to be here this morning, and I'm delighted to meet all of you. So thank you all very much.
Thank you. Stop there, Shivda. Ane mashi tange di ane kaswe ngene samnolia good afternoon shata ane yanga namalenge zebde gavstad chose shayin.
I think that perhaps it is easier if I give my talk sitting down. So first of all, I would like to wish all of you a good afternoon and say that I'm very happy to see all of you again.
Ane da nge share di da din share di secret feminine da di tholia de shayin da mas nge sta cha di jang go nge le pyoge khorang ya di kandas gyubu ye kandas kwalen go yu stang go zum ane drin du sane 주주 제가 시야오래 수고도 내면 주주 제가 시야지 말하는 당분에 디 가르슈 시야스케 민도 다 임비냥 지당기 가르슈다 나부상게 외게 나로리아 엔 가르슈 드디 직직디 돌이야 된 제유기 니즈루 카리에브당 안다는 신기 다 수수 뷰리지 민두산에 에네 벼바디 다 히말라야 에데 가르웨 리규도 네베 에네 미리차데 민두산에 디 나로리아 에네 드디 지 시크릿 페미닌 자 디톨이야 제유의 뜻수 칸제여디 노두지 나블랭게 소리야 슈야긴 베즈슈인.
So this afternoon I will be talking about the sacred feminine. And actually when we say the words the sacred feminine, it's actually difficult to translate this word into Tibetan and difficult to actually understand what it means. And so I'm supposed to speak for half an hour on this, and I'm not sure that I actually have a half an hour's worth to say, but I will say what I can. At any rate, I would like to begin by speaking a little bit about how these words are connected with, the words we use in Buddhism are connected with this situation. And since I am Tibetan, I would also, and Tibetans are a people who live in the Himalayan mountain range, I would like to say a little bit about how we Tibetans view the sacred feminine. And so I'll try to express a little bit about this.
아니 지당기 다 나버상게비 나버리 켄세르제 나베 나로리아 아니 다 believe somewhere 다지 düzür 직 가리오르슬라비나 and 심지엔 탐젤리아 and 랭기ik naturalism and nurtured 마인바 가르쳐 저중으로 마인바 랭기에게 and 미상으로야 유엔데 나소지 대여 송거하래 베나 집에는 참바다 인지를 수업은 되게 상으로 미 랭기에게 가나 한다고 기dü네 안디지 친이암 사변 다디 정신지 미상으로야 유에데비치 송거하랬어.
Now, generally in Buddhism, as you all know, we believe, or we have the view, that all sentient beings naturally have these seeds of various qualities. These are there naturally. They are not from nurture, they are by nature. For example, all sentient beings have the naturally present love and compassion, and they have the qualities and the seeds of these, which are present within all people.
아니 야와르 체베미나 데쟁기 야와르 체베이미나 아니 탑지 차지다 시르구 차 넘버 2 야와 체초 야브르브치레스.
And so if we take this aspect of qualities and we divide it into two different groups, we can say that there are two. There is the aspect of qualities and there's the aspect of method and the aspect of wisdom.
지단다 유엔딩 다 포도 모사데 왕벽권에 샤오 마도베기 아니 가슈라다 유엔딩이 차려야 포메 야와차사데 지시제 차니 남바상게 나로 디스케요 마데 이미네야 아니양 가슈레 이네야 다야지 가슈레 균제 카시에 토네 자와 균제 섬르베 자와 균제 카시에 토네 엔지 유엔덴라 바 포메 밍 다셔로 베나 시르부 차데줄이야 시럽디 아니 모여를 신이다 탑이 차데서 다 포여를 신이 바 도스바 드시 경고 알았어.
Generally, the distinction between masculine and feminine is something that is made by the physical difference, the differences in the anatomy. In terms of qualities, fundamentally in Buddhism, there is no difference between the two in the qualities. However, for various reasons, because of some similarities in them, then we do tend to divide them into the two, masculine and feminine. And when we do this, we say that the aspect of wisdom is feminine, and the aspect of means is masculine.
이네 유산 남바상게 나로리아 에는 가슈레 전다 개치부지즈 대야질이야 가르사나 된제외다 탑기 가슈레 차르 큐베 윤덴 대다 시르구 차르 큐베 윤덴 딘니부디 에네 송도 제야디 개치부시지 마지 딘니 송도 만제베 체제 엔탑 강밤 시르 강바로 딘데 차위미나 안 디기 가슈레다 아니 가서다 fully summer 지 내가 찾아하러 지 제토 매지 진짜지 순간에서
So one important point that is important that we need to understand in Buddhism is that the qualities of the aspect of means and the qualities of the aspect of wisdom need to be united. They need to be brought together, and this is very important. If they are not united and we only have the aspect of means or only the aspect of wisdom, then they will not be able to fully bring out all of their potential, it is said. Or they will not be able to fully do all of their work.
안드린 주산에 땅에 남바상계베 지가주 뉴스를 들으시자 시험거체 드린데 남바상계베 들으시아가 용의 매장 마신에 땅 아랑 계기 전화로디 내가 전화서 말하다지 지당게 다 배는 알아주시나 다 physical 지 수비 내당 토네 치 나버르디 에네부터 뷰 나버르시 데 이비냥 아니 그뒤네 양 디셈은 나로리야 다 보모서래 가서 다 때려 가는지 나오다 민대 다심도 어다 진제기 아니 female qualities or 가서다 지대에서 가서에 진짜 지금 천하로 지원되게 또 이미 민스게 다시면도 간다 진짜 지기 천하로 지원되기도 아들이 주산에 대항의 지 초연은 균세 망고지 가르쳐 되어 어려성도사나 아주지 최소가 냠내钱等于需不能行 energy 참니지당 안 다는 신기 지 가르쳐다 당매의 시럽 당매의 동리 시럽 되줄이야 준비 지 럽정으로 체비 인상 진짜 토안에 아니 수수기 생고 나로리야 대제비지 탑기 차들의 시럽 차가原点 이부 그러한 즉 가르쳐 데스 가르쳐 펜중 뭐시에를 차체 에네 디스 데버럽지 용규의 인사 디토안에 에네 전화로지 레벨 멘토 삼버럽지 디레 텐데 도스
But really, I'm not here to speak about Buddhist philosophy. This is not really the occasion for that. But instead, really my own personal feeling, or I'm not sure if you can call it a feeling. Basically, with my physical situation, I am male. But when I look inside my mind, I feel like there's a lot of, how should we say, the feminine, or there are feminine qualities. I have this feeling that they are, and I'm not really certain how to call them, but I do have the feeling that I have these qualities. And so when I think about the reasons why this would be so, and why I have this feeling, I think it's because of practicing the Dharma and then getting this feeling that the feelings of love and compassion and the wisdom of selflessness, the wisdom of emptiness have begun to get to know each other a little bit. They've become a little bit connected to each other. And so in that terms, I feel that in my mind that there's a little bit of both the means and the wisdom, they're coming together and becoming unified. And so I think that it is in those terms that I'm getting this, that I have this feeling.
드레인 주산에 땅외 니주 토리아 딘듀기다 점불린 디토리아 녜바도 가르쳐다지 다 다나는 쉬는 시래 근데 초지네 가줄이야 아니 가줄이지 basic view somewhere basic outlook 다디 아버지고 하디 가줄 양탑에서 다 개집시 자디 요아르성도 빼나 차샤입니다 우리 니주 토량 아우상으로 에너지 지글지 대행이 봐 빼나 아주지 세당 괴당 안 다나지 아주 우기교 순세 상으로 and jiggle jigging in there. That is self shadow. And then you sane, Tindaji, when you to toilet, Tindaji, Yingila, Tandong Azuji, the Kashre, selfish, shook chamberuchi, Tandong shook chamber, and Tandong in a Lemadan was young the Adi. Kandechebre. That thing Azuji, Monaji, Kashre. Basic viewpoint, some of the basic views and the zoo, and they normally dance here. And as we charge your condition, we mean, or non drugare. The understand the user DNA, the basic views and adando, outlooks and adando, that the Tata Squadi, case of Stachadi.
In the way that things really are in the world, it is as you all know, and as I have said, it is critical that we have a good basic view or a good basic outlook on the world. For example, if we think about how things are in the world, then everything is dependent upon one another. Even our food and our clothing, whatever it is that we examine, everything is interdependent with each other. And so I think that even though this is the case, we are still very selfish, and we still are unable to let go of our selfishness. And so how is it that this has occurred? And so it is because we do not have the basic view. And if we lack that basic view, then no matter what if our basic view is mistaken or our outlook is mistaken, then no matter what it is that we do, it will turn out wrong. And so for that reason, it is very important that that our basic view or our fundamental outlook be correct.
Three you sane, Tanga Songlo, the Kashre, Mishinda get Didu de, the Susu Didugi, be Chashaji in Basamar, Didugi, Yelandos in the Chi. Nada Kuesade, and then Nazu Saban separate Maimba. Nazu Saban, Nasi Dusane. Be took to the Yang Shen to do took to the Pig Pie of Shen. Takan the Dindic Cashway Tarum Brustayu de Bichitan, Kabasham Bustayu de Bichi, something you are the Yimini Nizutalia, and what to Jiggly Jig, Jiggly J, Jenny de Bichitan, Jig Chashi security, you have the that was something where Kasuda Hako Wadi. Ketchamaruchi, try to get some of those.
And so what we need to continually understand is that for everyone, for ourselves, and for everyone else, our happinesses are all parts of each other. Our own happiness, other people's happiness is a part of our own happiness, are an aspect of our own happiness. And so for that reason, the me and the you are not as separate as we think that they are. Normally, we think that there is a me who is there and autonomous. We think that there is an other that is over there and autonomous. And we think that they're far away from each other and that there's a large difference between the two. Actually, in the way that things truly are, everything, we are all dependent upon each other. We are all interconnected. And so it is important that that our happiness is, it is important that we understand that our own happiness is a part of everyone's happiness.
Bring it together somehow. That's it. Rangs love you understand. Ted Nyamdo, Shentia. So you carry on to it. That they go out, that gets him shady hard. They came out of him, I could do him in a selfish. sad madobe ngune chanegi karshwe ngui nizu tolia da correct view chato ya da kala khapsta chadi yore sangtu.
And so for that reason, we need to bring the self and the other together. And so when we say self or when we say me, then we need to bring the other along with us. And if we are not able to bring the others along with us, then this becomes selfish. And so it is important that we have a correct understanding of this and the way things actually are.
Perangye ngumaji labsar beru ji shesare ta yimbine di kange di ngazu same gi tede ye yinza andi ji shuna ya bu yigire sangdu spena di sa yes dilli ya an model zu mar jugo are the million mangbu yar sigar ngone jan changa kazu ngarang ki station me kaisang ye newspaper sta de yamare jeza 강다 야 모터 망부 쉽지야디 셉샤르 응망아 당부 니도로리 야가 통말레베 급단다 도임이나 다밤베 모터 망을 치야래 제자다 모터 망을 친 두산다 디 가르친 거야랬잖아 베나 모터 뉴두산에 더 미게직 참을로기 모터 참 딜리 모터 참을 니마지 데브지라 미지기 녀요 말에 모터 디즈레레 체제 미게 소소스 녀요 아래 데 뉴두산에 다 가서 personal choice somewhere 미게 소수 당버럽 제지 녀요 아래 녀만유사 소수 타지지 녀요 아래 다 임비네야 녀차니 다 모터데 배주 동두산에 미참면 조서 미참마 조서 랑가 디간량 로그마다 소수 모던 조서 랑가서 지 수르도 매비 인자 미참마 조서 랑가 디간 조구두 디급래 아는 아조지 신에 나 가서다지 니주지 가는 고추가 알았을라비미나 소수 personal choice 되기 간다 미참마로 affect 지기에 비지단 된 빈준 잡아차기에 비지 되니 두상 예때다 쇼가다 가라서나 self bana ngasa de nyamdo mishida de nyamdo su 가서 시행사 de nyamdo su and we tiguresa kwa gyumzendi ngedi 쇼가 gyumzendi 드립시야 되니 두산에 personal choice 되기 대양 and the society 사람도 미신다 choice 차기요 봐 다들이 두산에 디균zen 되네 아주 choice 제백걸이야 인지미지 가수에 다지 understanding 예배 토안에 choice 제거하지 당 다는 신기 남지 배주당 choice 제거해야 돼 계심이 미지 전도 요하를 섬청이
There's an example I have often said, but I think that it expresses an important thing here. And what this is that, as you all know, in Delhi, there are millions upon millions of cars. Now, I don't know exactly how many cars there are in Delhi, because I don't read the newspapers enough. At any rate, there are an awful lot of cars in Delhi. Compared to when I first came to India in the year 2000, there are many more cars than there were then. And so what this illustrates is that when we buy a car, this is a personal choice. It's an individual personal choice. It's not as if everyone goes out and buys cars all together. It's like each individual makes a choice to buy an individual car. So it's a personal choice. But what happens after that is when we buy it, it's a personal choice, but when we use the roads, these are not our personal road system. It's not as if you have an individual road system to go on in your own car. We all have to go by the same roads. And so what happens then is then it becomes clear in this situation that our own personal choices have an effect and are interrelated with everyone else. And so the reason why I am saying this is that this illustrates why it is that when we say me, we need to bring others along with us. Because our own personal choices are tied up with the choices. We have to think of our own personal choices as choices for the society and choices for other people as well. And so when we make our own decisions and choose things, unless we understand that and make that choice with the when we make such a choice, we need to use our intelligence in choosing.
Yinada mimangu chilia understand gange meachi. Yimbinia understand chetsavi chilia tati understand yabana sin la lenta tolia and daji kasure simshuk mandang bam nube mandang dijigange on the yard. Train to that tigablia and Bena Kurangi be choice Tamalo mission that young Tundal Injimiji Kars mission that Tunda Gangal be some tongue resana and that the Carson Genji Buruchi Carso Jackson Buruchiva Kurang some Karatam Yiminia the dissimulation that Karswada Tangishu Nasi mission that Lea the effect Kandichiva Tian some tongue resadi that the complicated maybe that the Kalakabur Shayare. That Delia Nazu Namjuji love and compassion sad. That's our Niji and Chamba Sadi Karesana. Today, Tangazu understand you have been young. Energy Simgi Kasreda. Nubasana do shugdubdi Malawi Dusane, Nasungus, Tangugi, Nizu Telia, Bengus, Kasrata, Ledunia, Shutua Mane. In a chamber the Nizi Sadi, Yamne, Chumbi Mina, and Shine, Nazolia, Kasungu, Nizu Talia, Kandar, Kasrata, La Lenta, Nubam, Energy Shugdubdi, Detuanas.
So for people to understand this is not at all difficult, but even if we have such an understanding, to be able to do it according to the understanding that we have, we just tend to actually put it into practice. We often don't have the mental energy, we don't have the mental chutzpah or the real energy to be able to do this. And so like if you were to say to people, oh, anytime you make a choice, you need to consider that what other people need, then it would actually be very complicated and very difficult for people. So if you say, you have to think about other people's situation, you must consider this, then it's very difficult and very complicated to actually make a choice. And so usually we talk in Buddhism about loving kindness, compassion, affection, and what does this mean for us? Well, it means that usually we may have the understanding, but we don't have the power in our mind. We don't have the energy in our minds. It doesn't rise up to this level when we come to the actual situation, and we are not able to put it into practice. But if we train and practice loving kindness and compassion, then at that point we will be able to give we'll be able to give our minds the energy or the power to be able to put this into practice.
Preparation, teach, knowledge. 저지를 거다 계심 차디어래 제가 참바의 인지사디 아니 가수하다 딱하나지 생기 단도스라고 말다 인지사디가 가수에 생기 디돌이야 도구를 채봐 sympathy empathy the jigbo gauge my image and a shame for the rani sosu rani ene 가르쳐다 다 베네 가르쳐 칸사함 간다디 니지 유로디 소수러니디 니지 유로디 차브체 디기 니도고 소화데 소승어기베 다 가르쳐야지 다 가르쳐 냠소 용사마로 다 간다 소수러니데 동에기 나베 에네 다 니지 유로디 줄부세제 진짜게 다저 소화 레베 토네 간다 지 닌젠겐 카사지 대여체 니지 유사지 배요 마이바 다 간다 군이가로 가서 예매도 주야로 서마다 간다 진짜지기 고약 토네 단 저거 알아보지 진짜 충분히 민 아니 신에 나중에 니지디 가르쳐다 philosophies and dado paji 가르쳐 봐 시샤 점인바 간다 왜 니즈 털이야 권고 예비지 왜 니즈 카요 라요 예데브지 교르도버지 용그레 삼정이 있어
And so it's important that we make preparations in our mind, that we get ourselves ready. Just knowing is not enough. We need to prepare ourselves and prepare our minds so that at the point when we can actually when we have the opportunity, we will actually be able to do something. So when we talk about love and compassion, it's not just the ability to sympathize or to empathize with other people's experiences of happiness or sadness. It's when we see that other person who is suffering, and in ourselves we see the individuals. With ourselves, we see that we see ourselves becoming that other person who is suffering, and so we will be able to feel or experience their own feelings of happiness and suffering, so that we can see that we ourselves are becoming that other person who is suffering. And so when we have that feeling, then it's no longer a situation where the person, the individual who has the compassion is over here, and the person for whom they have compassion is over there. Only when these two become indivisible, only at that point does our compassion then become more than just philosophy, more than just words, but actually something that we are able to put into our practice just as we speak.
pena Uttarakhand dar chulo chungbe gale di sane mi mangu chinga ngarang zo che mi chame ndago TV nan ya dengyo are TV nan tongju sane khashwa da ji khamba sin ro mi chu gun ro de tongju sane nga zo ta khandara certain levels some of the ninji ro ji samlia lo phang ro ji yonggo are changlo ya 다 인빈에 다디 니제서 버저 비게 니지 유도 파 샤샤바 좀마도베 파조데 동에기 나데베 심제 코줄리아 셈리아 다 가르쳐야지 동에 가서 지어봐 니준 자상 컨트 지어봐 더즈지긴 좋아지 가줄이야 레동도 와나레 미도산 다 간다지 다 디비디 고겹잖아요 당기디 가져야 돼 니지대 고겹사체 안드린 주산에 디 가서 용거 봐라 제자한테 디 가르쳐나 아주지 compassion side 비 가서 파 가서다 퍼르볼이야 펜토예베 compassion 주지 매미지 지 소수 다지 가서 미상보지 임베 냠되어 소리 치다 간다 니제지 지사지 데르지 찬드라게 고 냥가르지 도스도와
With the floods in Uttarakhand this summer, we all watched it. We were all watching it on TV. We could all see what was happening. We would see the houses be destroyed. We'd see people being carried away by the floodwaters. And when we see this, of course, there is a certain level of compassion that does arise in our mind. But sometimes this compassion is where we sort of think, where we just sort of leave it as just saying, oh, the poor things, the poor people, and we leave it there. And if we do that, then it isn't really something that can actually bring benefit. We don't actually really think about how much suffering does that person, excuse me, how much suffering does that person really experience? What is that person's situation truly like? We are unable to rise to that level, and so then when we turn off the TV, it's as if we turn off our compassion as well. And so this is a sign that we have not really trained, we have not really brought our compassion to the right level. And so there's a danger in this situation that our compassion will not be compassion that benefits the other, but it will instead be a compassion so that we can just show off how compassionate we are.
드리두스탄의 compassion 사디 인지미지 수수기 초아 파드야 텔레 시엔 동에기 너주 텔레야 아주 도나마스 제거하지다 텔레야 승구루마스 제거하디 계심을지 차딩 길에 삼정이었어.
And so I think that for compassion, instead of thinking about how much feeling we can bring forth in ourselves, we need to think about how well we can how much interest and how much empathy or how much feeling we can have for other people's suffering and situations.
드레이두스탄에 따 든지기 에는 가다를 가르쳐야지 참도 니지사디 엔더 가르쳐 ngaram mizi nalolia ti karwe gyuha thebda samar pena ngajue nalia ngajue nalia ane ngarangi amegi amajor ame amadi mi ta longarje tini dusan tongo amare 따임비네 남준 레다 드리두산에 남준디 쿠교를 지리아 대세 아니 만니르 장도 세데 데리요래 응아라 추주걸이야 아르지디스 세브르 정도 디두산에 지당 뭐라 미기스 롱아체 아니 드리두산에 지가르에 다디 physically 가르다 동해 제너지 physical 강해요 되듯이 이민의 가두이네 에너지 많이를 장하세 아니 몰이야 제 가두이는 좀 주셔야 되지다 안다나지 칸에 배 가르쳐다 심진 함지엘이야 디기 용하다 동해미용야 든지 지금 뭐라고 겹시 되되래 들이 두산디 인스피레이스 섬으로 당하나야지 가르쳐다 인지게들이 다 벽에 갈라오다 다 슈게르 섬으로 시다 대수성도 스카레스 든지지 physical 내단 되어야되지 미지게 아니 심리야 간다 왜나로 지어야되지 일단 드리지 민두산에 뒤기 토안에 아니 가르쳐야 말하려야 다 가르쳐야 든지 compassion somewhere 다디 지고 가르쳐 누브르 진대지 드리 통도 다나시 안나 nga주나리아 아니 내는 유니시에데에 나랑 the first spiritual teachers and 안도 다 게베 신년으로디 바지 파마니부디 인사버지 가레사나 충두이네 마신네게 파마니부디 데 필로소피 다들 잠을 시에 말에 다 이미네지 삼번남다르지 신래야 자와 아니 신변 주야사데 개심이부지 딘디지 간다 미지나로리아 신변 줍네라렌 다 댕게 시민주사나 딘제가 토네 에너지 시라기 지가르에 나라리아 참바든 니지사디 고아자마인바 뭐서 초왕의 토리아 에너지 냠뇽대야로 지든지 총수선바 정도스
And so when I look at my own life and see how love and compassion have developed or changed within myself, when I look at my own family, I think of my maternal grandmother. She was blind, so she couldn't see anything, and she would sit in a chair reciting the Om Mani Padme.
No chair.
She would sit
On the corner.
She would sit in a corner. She would sit in a corner reciting the Om Mani Padme Hum mantra, and reciting this all day long. Now, when you look at her, you'd think that she's blind. She must experience great physical suffering and have many physical difficulties. And yet, she was spending all her time reciting the Om Mani Padme Hum mantra, and she was always smiling. And whenever she always was reciting words of aspiration, prayers that all sentient beings might be happy and be free of suffering. And so this is really a great inspiration for me, and something that was a great influence on me as well. And so when we think about it, she may have been just sitting there reciting the Mani mantra, and yet her mind was really radiant and bright. And so in this way, I feel like I had an experience of really seeing the power of generating compassion. And another thing that I have often said is that in my family, my first real spiritual friends, my first real spiritual teachers were my two parents. And the reason for this is that they were people who really had a great altruistic motivation, who always considered it important to do what they could to help others. And so they have spent their lives doing things for the benefit of others. And so I feel that through the experience of seeing this, for me, love and compassion are not just an understanding, but something that I am actually that I have actually been able to experience in my life.
Today, you start the Amare, Danasi, Pamare, Labardo, and Yama. Tizu Gune, and the Gishedia, the secret feminine said, Pajita, the Derich, Mandro Summer, Tamashida. Was gash Ratsumido, Positivity, Nuberity. Physical Neda, the Digital Tone, Tando, Ankadaji, Kashwe, Semki, the Nubersen and Rando, Melamsen and Rando, Yana Kashweji, Semge, Tindiji, Yontuadi, amazing Ruchi, Tondo, and Dana Shingi, knowledge, philosophy, the knowledge that the gay Mardi, Yibinea, and Sabbath German in between, Kandachi, Siena, Ning Tabane, Jitzawacha. That is in Binea, Monetine Kashoda, Mukin Yaya Mari, that the Monetine Kashwe, Zachum Shiji, around to Stondido, the need to stand Digun DNA. The secret feminine seducane, and a budget in the man or some ruchi, and Nubasa or somewhere. Just that the Jagan Nubarudi, or
And so when I think of my grandmother, and especially when I think of my mother, I think it's in these terms that we can probably understand what we mean when we say this, the sacred feminine. I'm really not certain exactly what it means, but I think maybe it is this aspect. That you can still have such a physical, that one can be in such a physical situation and yet still bring out the power of your mind, bring out the power of the prayers. And I really think that it's quite incredible that you're able to develop such a resolve and such an attitude. And so this is not something that comes from any philosophy or any knowledge, but I think this just comes from the power of having a really uncontrived affection, an uncontrived love in the mind. It's not as if it's something that, they're going to It's something that we are not able to purchase with any money, but we can see that as it is. And so I think that this is what we mean by the sacred feminine. It is this sort of capacity.
인두산에 대단 아주 구유고 계시여 다나셔베 제자 구유 코랑 아주지 Mother Earth 라고 하래. and the 가시기 가서다 다들이야 가시 Father Earth 라고 다 가시 지지버다 Father Mother kind 지버다 많이帮了 US 라는 데지 초아 체르지 파이帮了 US 데지 데브샤라메 데브시도가 딱 한다 파다 기지게요만 간다 ngazu namju jik chi jare kunsu saati kunsu ba saati karasana di saji chambu di kunsu erbi ta kunsu be amarbi ama ngazu gi amale phajida za che ama sabarmata kanda ngo di tholya pena nge namju karasi yesana di be 사실 좀 티에트는 잡지래스 대가르가 토란르지 니 톨량 아주지 기도긴 대가르 아니 가견 대가르 컨디지 차비나다 소수에 가르지 차고 싸미네야 첩초하르지 드니 용디 가래 이베나 다데 뒤즈랑 아주 텐자베기 간다 이동와당 다나 신기 에 ngasulya gon고 차상유에 대비 코구 차상 좀 대비 진짜 일단 티에트는 잡대 가서 다들 또디가 대 또리미나 에 가서 가wen데 가야 탑스요 말에 교wen데 가야 탑스요 말에 드네 인두스탄에 간다 디 머더 사디 시저임베 가서 자야 아마서 말에 아메 난가 아마르부터 인데비디 땅 가서 지 전화로 레고 하데 계집시다래 그래서 진짜 토하네 배랑 가서 데 doctor 반다네 시와 모라이네 오네 지 good example somewhere tadi sacred feminine somewhere tadi power the good example de 시다시에 뭐 모란 된 딘데 여러 제자 땅에 시다시에 먹어체 간다야 배랑 알아 충충갑을 이미냥 부로 숨시급 디급이야 게 니주게 신가 말은 남아서 이게 제대로 가서 필로소피에서 파서 주제래 잠도도 신경 많네 이변의 뒤주산 변의 심진 신다든지 세바 통백급 드제급이야 엔지 미세베 다 가서 미세버를 좋아하는 거 근데 뭐야 소리게 미신다긴 주되는 마도베 에는 간다 가서 데미수바 그든지 간다 지 시행동에 통주산 미세버를 또 좋아하는 게 근데 이 주산에天然性아 참로리아 진짜다 니지 사변선이라 누구든 아 참로리아 요래 충중 지중로 마대 아 참로리아 요래 이비네야 근데 니지디 hardwired somewhere 당 안소리아 요래디 이비네 아수디 switch off 제잖아 그거 off 제야 요래데 제자 인지 미지 아주에기 니지디 매버 마이바 니지된 아주 가를 off 제샤 인상 안 아주리아 가서에 그뒤미네 니지 매베 손나로 정리 거네 제자 인지 미지 텐데 니지 사변데 공부에 당한체 아니 간다 온 제가 되다 계속 시작해서 정규 아니 신다 미세 샤스케미도 아니 게 다리데 저지스 개체 마시나 남중에 시라 저지스 시라 제 신금민도 아니 저지스 시두산 도르시조도 아 저지 마제나 텔레 도르지 도도 드네 인두산에 간도 지도르 제샤 드네 인두산 텔레야 고모마스나 샤이 에네 계란 삼로데 얘기 가르스다 계제 초메들이야 소금 제지 셈들이야 도세나 샤이
This morning, I spoke a bit about the environment. And when we think about the environment, then we talk about the Mother Earth. We don't talk about Father Earth much. Really, with the Earth, there's really no father or mother. But when you talk about it, if you say, "Oh, I'm sitting in my mother's lap," that sounds so comfortable. And if you say, "I'm sitting in my father's lap," it doesn't quite sound as nice. It's not as easy to say this. So even though there's not actually any real father or mother or whatever it is, we are all here in this, and it's like we are. Our mother is like what looks out for everything for us, and so what we consider our mothers to be the most important. And so with this earth that we have, our Mother Earth, she is like the theater in which we can play out all of our pleasures and pains. She is the mother who puts up with everything, I should say. The mother who puts up with everything, and no matter what it is that we do, she is still always very loving to all of us. And so with this great earth that we are on, it is like the theater in which we play out all of our pleasures and pains. And so this great earth is actually the embodiment of compassion itself. And it allows us to play out all of our pleasures and pains, whatever it is that we want to do. So we can do anything. We can be happy, we can be sad, we can make any dance or any song that we wish to do, and yet we find ourselves in a situation where we are tearing down this theater in which we play out all of our happinesses and all of our pleasures, and we will not be able to experience them. And so I think that this is an example of the sacred feminine. And I think that we can all see examples of this, such as with Dr. Vinanda Shri. She's such a wonderful example of the Vinanda Shiva. She is such a wonderful example of the sacred feminine. And I don't think I need to say much because she is with us right here. And so I often remember a time when I was very young, when I was about 3 years old, and I knew nothing about philosophy. I knew nothing about any dharma. I did not know how to recite the basic words of basic Buddhist prayers of going for refuge. And yet, when I would see an animal being slaughtered in front of me, I would have this unbearable feeling of compassion. I would cry, and I'd have to be restrained by someone else. Otherwise, I would not be able to bear it. I had this unbearable feeling of compassion. And so I feel that all of us have within us these seeds of compassion. They are present within all of us to some varying degree. This compassion is actually hardwired into all of us. And yet, we are able to turn it off. And when we turn it off, then it's as if we have no compassion at all. It seems as if we lack compassion entirely. And so for that reason, it's important for us to grow these seeds of compassion so that we can see that we are not separate from other sentient beings. And so we can develop the love and compassion for others. And so that is all I have to say for right now. I'm sorry I did not prepare that much to say. Actually, I rarely prepare anything for talks, and when I prepare them, it actually even seems to go even worse than when I don't. And so I'd like to please excuse me for all of the meaningless things I have said, and I beg your pardon for that.